Hey guys, Saravanan Ganesh here. This video, we just want to cover a little bit about ranking videos in Google and obviously ranking videos in YouTube. So one of the reasons you want to look into ranking videos in Google is it's prime real estate. What do I mean by that? When you do a search for any local phrase, and I'm talking purely ranking videos for local SEO, right? I'm not talking big affiliate or big national keywords. I'm talking for local real estate. When you rank a video, when somebody searches for, as an example, tree service Dallas or dentist in Birmingham, whatever, city, Mission City, they usually see on page one 10 listings, 10 domains. It could be a website, could be 𝐉𝐻.com, but all of it is text. And then if you have a video with a thumbnail that appears on page one, that's going to stand out. Now, it's prime real estate, obviously. When I say prime real estate, when somebody is searching for something and a video appears, they're going to obviously, get drawn to it and click on it. And I'm going to show you a couple of examples. It's going to stand out in a sea of text and content. This is going to just stand out as a video-based content, as a thumbnail, as an image, and obviously people are going to click on that. All right. Now it's going to impress clients. You can use this tool to get potential clients. You can use this tool to rank, multiple web properties of one client in page one. So, as an example, you can rank a website, for one specific keyword. Let's say tree service Chicago. You rank the website on number one. You rank a video number two, you rank the Facebook page number three. So just multiple web properties on page one for the same keyword. Now, the way I use it is just a bit creative. I treat this as another tool in my toolbox. I don't spend a ton of ranking videos on Google for a couple of reasons. One, in the local space, it stands out, it helps people, it kind of helps to impress the client, but really, don't expect too many leads. At least in my experience, I haven't seen a lot of leads come from videos. You may get a couple here and there, but nothing like a website and a Google GMP, right? That's the first thing. Second thing, not every keyword is easy to rank or is worth spending the time and the effort and the resources to rank. One of the biggest reasons I use to rank, I rank videos in Google. I'm going to show you a couple of examples, is to impress potential clients, impress existing clients, really. Maybe it's, a link, there's a link from the YouTube video, the body of the video to my money site. So it kind of helps pass some link juice, things like that. End of the day, YouTube is the second largest search engine. And there's a lot of people who watch videos. One statistic tells me that 50% of all content out there on the internet is videos. I'm not sure if that's right or wrong, but I know I consume a lot of video content, and if I'm going to search for something, I look up videos, and people do that. So you can use that as another tool in your arsenal, if you will. Now, ranking factors, right? We're going to go into details, but one of the things you need to understand is that YouTube is owned by Google, and YouTube has a high domain authority. I believe it's 100, which basically means it can withstand any number of backlinks and aggressive anchor text and things like that. So if you're putting up a new domain, a local website, the DA is really 1. And you can't be very, very aggressive with it. But in YouTube, it's youtube.com, which is a DA of 100, / whatever the remaining is the URL of your video. It's still a DA of 100, even though it's a PA of 1. The page authority may be 1, but the DA is 100. And so you can be much more aggressive with PBNs and anchor text. Okay, and we're going to go into that a little bit. Keyword in the title of the video, that's going to be a ranking factor. So if somebody is searching for tree service in Ann Arbor, and if your video's title says tree service in Ann Arbor, chances are high that, with some more power and backlinks and optimization, we can rank the video in Google. Again, like I said, there are different types of videos, so different, how do I put it? Keywords in the video are going to help rank videos. Some kind of videos are going to rank much easier, and I'm going to show you an example. Transcript, not everybody knows this. YouTube transcribes every single word. So if you have a video and you talk in the video saying, my name is Tom Smith, there's a transcript piece where you can go and click, and I'm going to show that to you later, where you're going to read that line by line, text by text, right? And that's important because Google is transcribing every single word, and that means you want to use your main keyword, you want to use LSI keywords, you want to use related keywords, just giving more and more relevance. And obviously video engagement. End of the day, if you have a very, very bad video, not too many people are going to watch it. And so even if you rank it, what's the point? If more people watch it because the video is really good, it's going to help with more views, longer screen time, and obviously that's a ranking factor as well. And then outside of this is going to be off page, what kind of backlinks we can send. So let's jump into a couple of examples. So one thing you'll notice is not all keywords bring up videos, but if you have tutorial, the word tutorial in your videos, in your search phrase, those actually bring up huge video snippet right here, and you can play this video right here, right? It's a youtube.com video. Another example, I just have more examples like how to eyebrow tutorial, it brings up a video, right? A SEO tutorial brings up a video. So if you have the keyword tutorial, that's going to bring up videos, okay? Now, in my case, here's what I did. Let me see this. About 10 minutes ago, I actually said, I uploaded a video saying junk removal 𝐉𝐻 tutorial, okay? And look at that. This was uploaded 24 minutes ago. Do you see that? 24 minutes ago, it was uploaded, and because it's got the keyword and it's got tutorial, it's showing up. So certain search phrases, keywords like tutorial, those actually videos rank higher. So what does that mean? We can use this piece of information to our benefit. And if I have a client who's a junk removal 𝐉𝐻 client, I can just put up a video and say junk removal 𝐉𝐻 tutorial and show it to him. Search volume is 0 because no one's going to be doing a local tutorial search, but this is going to impress him. Now, if I do a junk removal 𝐉𝐻, does that come up? I don't think so, right? It's not going to come up. But there's a couple of things that we can do to slowly make sure it comes up, okay? And as a matter of fact, about 3 days ago, I actually put up a video that said junk removal 𝐉𝐻 Michigan. And this is the map listing, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these are. This is our website, and then our website that we put up 3 days ago, junk removal 𝐉𝐻 Michigan, is the same video. I had not changed the video. This one I uploaded 3 days ago to a different YouTube channel, and the junk removal 𝐉𝐻 tutorial I uploaded 25 minutes ago to a different Google account, YouTube channel, all right? So basically, this one, junk removal 𝐉𝐻 Michigan, if I were to rank this higher, and over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to see how I can rank it. It's just basically me doing a screencast video, just walking over the website. I actually talk nonsense, to be honest. I actually say something like, I'm going to show it to you. Like if you go over here and you can see open transcript, it actually shows me, come on, transcripts. And so I'm not signed in right now, so it's showing all kinds of videos. So when I'm signed into my YouTube channel, I usually watch a set of videos, mostly on marketing and personal development. When I'm not signed in, I usually listen to Indian songs and anything else, right? But that's why it's showing me this. It's taking so much time to open the transcript. But basically, every word that I utter over here in the video is transcribed with a timestamp. Okay, let's see if it loads up. So I use some LSI and secondary keywords like junk removal, dumpster rental, things like that. But I also talk nonsense like if you're in Alaska, we'll come and remove your junk, even though we are in 𝐉𝐻 Michigan. So it doesn't matter what the video really is. I have some little keywords in there in the transcript. That's it. But if you see here, if my main keyword I want to rank is junk removal 𝐉𝐻 Michigan, I have that in the title tag. I have a related keyword in the title tag. I have Michigan and I have MI. Okay. Then I actually have a couple of sentences. Again, junk removal. junk removal service. Just around that, I actually have a link to my money website. But this is all on-page optimization. So what's all on-page optimization? Junk removal, the keyword in the domain, I mean in the YouTube video, some keywords here in the transcript, if it ever opens up. Wow, it's taking so much time. Let's try one more time if the transcripts open up. But my transcript basically says line by line different my entire sentences I uttered over here. But I'm just looking to rank locally. I'm not looking to rank for a huge keyword like make money online or how to lose weight or how to get a six-pack abs. If I were to do that, then other factors like the strength of my YouTube channel, how many videos I have, or the topical relevance, all of that would come into play. Here, I'm just using YouTube. I'm using this video to rank in Google to get a couple of brownie points, if you will, from my client, my potential client, just to impress them, just to show a video in Google searches and impress them. So the next thing I would be doing is, if you look here, Google has a share. If I click on share, I mean YouTube is actually giving me the about 10 different social media profiles that they think or they consider as the high priority, number 1 to number 10. There's a reason YouTube has put these social profiles and says share them here, right? Is because YouTube considers them pretty high priority compared to the other one. So it'll probably make sense to create a LinkedIn page, maybe I have no idea what this is, maybe create a Tumblr with the keyword in the URL, a Blogger, or Pinterest, Reddit, whatever these are, looks like some Chinese. But basically, you can create these with keyword in the URL and the title tag, like we do with websites. But also, hey, you can take the embed code, right? So if I just go out of here, I say share. Where's the embed code? Well, this is the copy. I can copy this. This is another short form URL. If I copy this and I go here and I put it, it opens up the same video. It's the same video, it's a different URL that the group is giving, that YouTube is giving us. And so I can take that, right? I can take this and I can send backlinks to this also, right? This is the embed code. I can actually take this embed code, copy this whole thing, okay? And then go and embed it in PBNs, if you will, all right? I can actually embed it in these different social profiles, and then I can send PBN links to these social profiles. The off page is very similar to what we do in ranking websites. The biggest advantage is with off page, you could, number one, embed this video in PBNs because it's a video and there's an embed code. But number two, you can send PBN links more aggressively to this URL, this YouTube URL. When I say more aggressively, you can send PBN links with anchor text, junk removal, 𝐉𝐴 2, 3, 4 times, because the domain authority of YouTube is 100. Okay, so this is just a couple of things. Again, use it wisely. I don't want you to be wasting time trying to rank every keyword for a video. You'd rather just go and maybe search for, let me put this up a bit, and do junk removal, like when I do tree service Dallas, I do not see any videos. Nobody's interested in videos. But if you have a tree service Dallas client and you do tree service Dallas tutorial, there's no videos here. There's 1 or 2 over here, and they're appearing because of different reasons, but they don't have the keyword tutorial here. So if you put a video that says tree service Dallas tutorial, it's going to rank number 1 for this keyword that has tutorial in the search phrase. Now, it's 0 volume, you know that, I know that, but you can impress your client, right? Now, if you want to rank the video for tree service Dallas or junk removal 𝐉𝐴, just the main keyword itself, then you may have to come and do what I just taught you about. I just showed you with backlinks to these URLs, share in this all these share profiles, social profiles, send backlinks over here, PBNs, things like that. So just another tool in your tool shed, if you will. Don't spend too much time, at least in the local space, with the videos. Maybe if you're an affiliate or national keywords, there's other things you can do. But this is something you can surely impress. I've done this a couple of times, maybe about half a dozen times with prospective clients. I've impressed them big time. I mean, they're like, oh my God, you're ranking. All they see, they don't understand that I'm ranking for junk removal 𝐉𝐴. They're going to see I'm ranking for junk removal. They don't care what the keyword is. All they see is, okay, junk removal 𝐉𝐴, they are about that, and have a video rank number one. It's thumbnail. They get, it's like a magnet. It draws them to that. Hope it makes some sense, guys. Just want to throw this out there.